Good day, everyone. I am Atul Pinaflor Hamawed, your student teacher for today. So, our discussion is all about creativity and innovation and social entrepreneurship. So, what is creativity? It is ability to generate new original and useful ideas. So, there are 6 types of creativity techniques. First is thinking. So when I say thinking, it is involved consciousness and cognitive process of rearranging known information or to form new combination. And the second is the brainstorming. So when I say brainstorming, it is a collaboration or non-judgmental sa imong group, within your group, and technique aimed to generate a high volume of ideas and to solve specific problems. So, the third one is the checklist. So, ang checklist is imong gamiton if dito nimo isuwat tanan if na-achieve ba nimo ang imong goal, imo siyang i-check, or pwede ka magdugang, or pwede ka mag-eliminate if dili na needed, or di ka makahanap ana nga solution or kuan specific yung imong gisuwat dito sa imong checklist. So the fourth one is the scientific method, whereas you could conduct experiments or analyze data, no? And then the value analysis. So mag-analyze ka sa ilang product or sa product nga imong ginahunaan, if taas ba siya, high cost ba, unsay imong mga ways para ma-achieve nimo ang imong goal nga imong i-innovate nga isa ka product, no? If pwede ba nimo siya eliminate, or worth it ba siya gastuhan, or unsay mga alternative way para dili ka madak-an if mag-create na ka or mag-innovate na kag isa ka product. So the sixth or the last technique is the notebook method, which is traditional sa ginasulat gina dito tanan, or ginasuwatanan dito kung unsay mga imong gusto or goal gajud, no? But in today's generation, they use digital file, no? Kung dito na nila ilakon ibutang at mas dali ra siya hanapon. So again, there are 6 creativity techniques. First is that thinking, brainstorming, and then checklist method, and then scientific method, value analysis, and the notebook method. So let us proceed to innovation. Unsa man ang innovation? So when we say innovation, it is a process of turning or creating ideas into practical products, service, or solution that create value. So since we already being creative, so being creative, naka-innovate ka og new. So tungod sa imong ideas, na sum up na nimo tanan, so nakabuhat kag isa ka product o makatabang pod sa mga tao or to solve problems, no? And then there are 4 different types of innovation. First is invention. So unsa man ang invention? So ang invention or new concept is paghimo sa new product. So the product is not exist pa, wala pa siya na buhat. So dira pa ka magbuhat. When say invention, nagbuhat pa. So process pa siya, di ba? And it is based sa imong original ideas. Tungod sa imong mga ideas or being creative, dira ka maka-invent. So that we called invention. So next is the extension or expansion. So when you say extension and expansion, nag-exist na ang imong product, but kabalo ka isa pa imong branch, and then dito na area kabalo ka murag mas mupato kay tungod daghay tao, and then daghan kana ang daghay bisita or tourist spot dito. So nakauna ka nga, what if magbutang ko branch dito? So it is extension. So or expansion na move na nimo to another place ang imong product ug aron mas mailhan pa sa mga katawhan. And next is the third one is the duplication. So unsa man ang duplication? Duplication or replication, it is the product is already existing then and then ang service or process, but we dili siya ingon nga og duplication, fake na si or na nag-duplicate sa imong product, but being sa tawag ani kana for example sa imong restaurant daghay mga kana nga product boom kibali or kana nga recipe, and then in order nga mas musikat pa ang imong product, so naguna-una ka or nag-on kag twist no aron or unique twist para ma-popular ang imong menu or product. And then the fourth one is the synthesis. So when we say synthesis, koan siya combination. So the product is already existing again, and then the combination of two or more existing products, as what I've said earlier, no? So concept or ideas into new or more advanced information. So for example, beauty products. So sa una ang mga baligya ra kay sabon na ra, and then kanang way agad siya mga kuan bitaw sa wala siya mga twist or kuan. And then sa imong beauty product, pwede ka makahimo og mga, for example, ang Rejuve karon. Sa Rejuve na anay sabon, na anay toner, na anay sunscreen, and etc. serum. And then mo nag-ingon nga synthesis, you make two or more products into one. So mo na synthesis. So there are four different types of innovation, which is the invention, extension, duplication, and synthesis. So let us proceed to social entrepreneurship. So when we say social entrepreneurship, it is a business approach that focusing on solving social or environmental problems while generating sustainable income. And then the impact of performance of social entrepreneurship is the social impact. So when we say social impact, it is focusing on creating positive, tangible changes by solving problems into community and society like poverty, inequality, lack of access in the service, as well as the healthcare or the education. And then the environmental impact. So being creative and innovate, nakabuhat ka, nag-invent ka or naka-innovate ka product, so you should always consider the environmental impact if it could lead harm or good ba. So that's why there are a lot of choices or mga ways aron ma-reduce ang atong mga waste, no, which is na mga eco-friendly or alternative way nga atong gamitan, especially kung mag-create ta or mag-invent ta isa ka product. And then the cultural impact, where we should inspire you to innovate something dili ra kay sa isa ka thing, and then dapat sa culture sab mo apply sab sa ila or mo reflect sab sa ila. As we observe, daghan ay mga bata karon nga business minded or they are entrepreneurship, bata pa lang sila mukita na sila dagko because they have these mindsets. So that's why we should promote also this na mas ma-inspire ang mga kabataan una na being wala sa edad ang being creative or pag-invent of something, and daghan being creative og ang imong nahimo or na-invent nakatabang pa ka sa laing tawo. And then the economic impact, so drives inclusive growth because of being creative again or naka-invent kag something, so it could lead or it could help lots of people na to give them jobs as well. Kay you all know, kabalo na ka sa problem, and then being creative na nakagikon na sa imong mind sa mga solution or problems na imong buhaton, which is naka-create kag or naka-innovate kag something, and dili ra for yourself and also for the community or the economic impact na makatabang ka, dili ra para sa imong kaugalingon as well as the others. So importance of creativity, innovation, and social entrepreneurship is number one is to help and solve real social problems, no? So sakto jud makatabang jud sa jud to solve problems, and then the create sustainable solution. Being creative makahuna kag mga sustainable solution kung unsay mga ways or dapat buhaton nimo, and then encourage economic and community development, and then provides long-term social impact and promote responsible business practices. So, to sum up, managing the journey from idea to market opportunity involves identifying problems, developing creativity solution, and transforming this solution into products or service that benefit societies and the environmental. So, it helps also not to entrepreneurs know that need solutions and becomes the starting point of business idea. So, uh, before I end my discussion, I would like to share a quote for you from Jeff Escol, which is emphasizes that the small amount of good paired with the commitment of social entrepreneur can lead to a massive positive impact. So that would be all. Thank you.